You are not allowed here to play because you are in the school. It's not allowed here to play the children. Ayan na guys, nandito kami na sa school. Naghihintay kami ng kukuha yung
Hi guys.
How are you? Ayan guys. Kaya dito kami na itong school. Kumbaga ano siya, Indian International School. Makikredit kasi yung ano ni Malik. Makikredit. Kaya ayan guys, dito na kami kaya baba muna.
Mama, I'm learning how to whistle.
I'm learning how to whistle.
Mama, I know how to whistle.
Malik. Where you go, you saw? Do you go say?
Daddy, go. No, I want to.
Yeah, this one is for me. But I want to ask something before the first semester. He not join early. I can take this box for him.
Yeah, you can take
It's okay?
it. Yeah, no problem.
Where's the uniform? Yeah.
From store, one minute.
Daddy,
Huh?
I want to listen.
Just
Wait. Where you go?
Cool.
Where?
See something in that picture.
Oh, see, there's more kids. See?
Yeah, there's orange carrots. Yeah, I know that.
See?
Why there too much pictures now?
Yes. And they said no anger, so no shouting. Okay? Here in the school, no shouting.
Why is there?
Oh, like this. What is this? What is this?
I said no shouting.
Oh, yes. No shouting.
Like that sign said
No
no.
anger. See, they have more children.
That's why I don't shout.
Yes.
Only
See, they
talk?
see, they need it drawing.
Mama, I should only talk.
Yes. Talk slowly, not shouting.
More than fire thing.
No, only they are checking the fire alarm.
Fire.
Yes.
Then who's talking?
Maganda kasi guys, yung school nila, ang laki, ang lapad ng hindi ka sa iba ang sakit.
But the girl said no.
Your school is from secondary. You come here. Eh?
Yeah. Then is there books here?
I will take black uniform take now.
Uniform.
You are not allowed here to play because you are in the school. It's not allowed here to play the children. Ayan na guys, nandito kami na sa school. Naghihintay kami ng kukuha yung uniform. Then what we can take it now?
Uniform.
Only uniform?
First week, يعني first week September will take his books.
Oh, in September.
In the first week, she said. Kindergarten grade 2, it's available the books. Grade 1 is still for money.
Then how about for his before? We can
I will take also. I ask her, you can take it.
the one with the
First semester.
the first semester.
I will take it, yeah. I ask her already. We take both tourism.
So we can take the first semester book. And
لا still she's take
this is the one.
later on
So
only to do
it's useless. We cannot teach him also. Because that time it's got confused now for him because he have two books.
at least we have it
I think we can get now the just as the
books
first
okay in future.
only for the first semester, no?
Okay.
Because she said that in the it's available. Or maybe for him that is available the
I will ask them.
I think that's Indian, right? This that it's Indian. Yun guys, sinintay namin yung para makuha yung full uniform. Kukuha. Kasi ano kasi guys, late na sumalik dapat nung kumbaga first semester tapos na si Malik nag-start, mag-start siya ng second semester. So, sabi niya bumalik.
She said all the books for all year will take direct together. She said for me, when I buy, I will take first semester and second and third all together. The book.
Because we are late now.
Yeah, she said for me, some books at home, and he will bring this one for me. At home, I have to homework every day for him. Okay.
No, but I'm talking now for the first semester because Malik did not come the first
What
semester.
I will get that I will, this one short Ali will study the second one, and school I will give him this one before. I teach him also.
You did not, I think you did not get what I mean.
What?
In the first semester, Malik, it's already late, right? So, we can ask if we can get now. So
Like
after,
it took one time, direct, one time.
because he gets confused.
No one
Yeah, so
confused.
because for the second semester, he should do
Because
it.
I'm
And
sure
also
this
for
one,
the
when
first
it comes down, is going advanced. It's a good book for him. I know.
So that book it's already late for him, so no need to take it.
I think kindergarten in the street direct during class.
Hinintay namin. Nag-argue pa kami dalawa sa mga
What?
books.
Your turn?
Bata pa siya.
Yes. Come here. Come to the come.
I just don't.
Just come here. What happened? Okay.
Kinuha niya yung kinuha niya yung cellphone ko. In-upload bigla. Maybe we are late. What time they will come?
No, still not open the store.
It's like what time open?
She said no. The guy will come now. 5 minutes. Oh.
Ayan guys. Kasi nga dapat 9:30 kailangan na sa office na.
You will see. Okay, I'm sorry.
Ayan. Kasi ewan ko sabi kasi maganda kasi kung makuha niya yung first semester na po para ngayon mahabol namin ba para continue yung pagtuturo kay Malik kasi ano daw yun tuturo yung second semester kay Malik tapos sa first semester din magana yung bata siguro ewan hindi ko alam kasi maganda kasi kung ngayon ibibigay nila yung books nung first semester kasi syempre may time pa na magturo hanggang sa pag-open ng school.
What the girl said you?
No, just you go to the
Time
uniform.
para sa
Give me my
uniform.
uniform.
No, you take it.
What number?
Oh, my
Ayan guys, ito na yung uniform ni Malik na kinuha natin. Kumuha si Abu Malik ng dalawang polo, yung pang taas. Tapos dalawa din pa yung niya, trouser.
Ayan, ito
Number 3.
pang winter na jacket yan, guys. Yan yung trouser niya. Tsaka kumuha din siya ng isang set na pang PE uniform niya, guys.
Daddy, who will clean? You will clean the playground.
ഷർട്ട് രണ്ട് പാന്റ് രണ്ട്
Mom, you clean the playground.
ടീഷർട്ട് ഒരെണ്ണം
Nali.
ട്രാക്ക് ജാക്കറ്റ്.
Ayan, guys, dito na kami, tapos na kami dun sa school. So, ngayon na bumalik, ihatid ako dun sa trabaho ko, guys. Kaya, sobrang init, grabe. Sobrang init talaga, guys. Kaya hanggang dito na yung video natin, guys. Thank you so much, everyone. And see you in the next vlog, guys. Bye!